good, buddy. So you can't see it, but Pikes Peak, west of Colorado Springs, is way down there. Way down there. That's a good 90 to 100 miles south. You can barely see it. I'll try to point it out when I make this video. This is one of my, except for the cars, one of my favorite roads to ride between home and Longmont, Colorado. It's called Oxford Lane or something like that, Oxford Road, and it goes straight west all the way to Longmont, and the view is just fantastic. There was just that combine that was starting to grade this field here. This will be corn in a couple months, and I once found a $10 bill right along here about 8 years ago or however long it was. But you can see all along the Front Range from north of Fort Collins, way up there, the Poudre Valley. That's Long's Peak right there, the big one. And I've climbed that 10 times. And then over here to the left is the Flatirons down by Boulder. But this road is just, like I said, one of my favorite. A little gradual climb to come up it, but an occasional old Ford truck goes by. Farmland as far as you can see, and I'm gonna ride it. I'm gonna try to get to Hygiene, Colorado. It's west of Longmont. Well, that was cool. So this is a little rest area that you can pull off and park under in case it starts raining or it's hot or you're just tired or you want to take a break. And it's not much further than where that combine was. But the weird thing is, for years and years, it's usually full of water. Now, it's absolutely dry and it looks like the Great Salt Lake in Utah. I'm not sure what's going on there, but that is completely dry and white, and I have no idea what's going on. It kind of looks like snow, but it's not, because it's almost 80 degrees. But yeah, not sure what's going on there. I like that cloud up there. It's like a little swirl. I think they call it a disc or something. There's a big nice irrigation shooting like a geyser over there. Really cool. But I'm just taking a little break here, and the bike is happy to have a break out of the sun. It's really cool here. This is truly farmland out here, even with the recycling and landfill bins. And again, that's Long's Peak, straight out there. That's really cool.